everybody, it's Katherine. Welcome to my channel where we talk all things beauty and fragrance. So I got this blush by Chanel, Pêche Rosée, a limited edition Chanel, their 2022 spring line, and I have yet to use it because I wanted to use it with you guys. I just haven't done a ton of makeup application videos lately, so I wanted to just do a video exclusively on this one, and that's it. As always, it comes in its little velvet pouch. I got my very dirty stained blush brush that we'll be using. Nice gold emblem. I believe that they do the gold logo when it's a limited edition, so that's how you can tell the difference between the resident product line and then their limited editions. So open it up. Brush as always in a little convex covering. Remove that. And we have our beautiful shade, which I'm sure y'all have seen on numerous other channels by now, but the reason I got it was because I thought it would go super well with my spring Dior palette. That is what I have on my eyes today. I did top it with just on the inner edge with the glitter side of Iconic London eyeshadow stick, which I have reviewed on another video that I will link in this video if you're interested in that. But this is the Spring Dior eyeshadow limited edition as well. I'll also link that video if you're interested. Anyway, I thought this would go beautifully with it and kind of go with that Mediterranean apricot sun-kissed look for the spring. I also wanted to mention I have on Il Makiage eyeliner. Very impressed with it. Very. So if you're in the market for just a pencil liner, check that out. It's a reasonable price. I found that it's waterproof. It is blendable initially, and then it does kind of stay. It's got super long lasting power for my spring watery eyes lately. I have just been super impressed. It's soft. I've used it safely in my waterline without irritation. So just very impressed with this eye pencil if you're looking for a pencil as opposed to a liquid liner. So anyway, moving on. Get some on the brush here. This is an NYX professional makeup brush number 2. I obviously already have the rest of my makeup on. I used Dior Skin and Body, or Face and Body foundation. And I did also apply the Pearl de Lumiere Chanel highlight. This is beautiful though. It's a very sheer wash of color, if you can see. But it's beautiful. It's a very spring coral color, obviously. I really liked it because it's got a hint of gold shimmer in it, which I thought would be really cool. I kind of forget that I'm older and I have textured skin sometimes. So I guess I do need to consider whether the gold is going to amplify the texture in my skin, but it doesn't look like it because it's just, like I said, a light shimmer as opposed to, it's not like a glitter. It's just a light wash of shimmer. So yes, great purchase. Very happy with this. Probably should have gotten it out and used it earlier, being that it's March already. But I'm super happy. I am really loving this. So again, this is Chanel Blush Lumiere in Pêche Rosée, their spring 2022 limited edition line. So if you're in the market for a new apricot-y peach blush, definitely check that one out. Again, I told you Il Makiage for my eyeliner and the Dior spring eyeshadows. All right, I have someone who wants to pop bubbles, so I gotta wrap this up. Again, appreciate you all, love you all, mwah, and I will see you all soon. Thanks for stopping by. Make sure to hit subscribe if you haven't and the notification bell so that you can be notified when I release my videos. Please hit me up on Instagram, TikTok, wherever. Make sure you leave a comment so I know you stopped. I love to talk with you guys. If you've tried any of these products, please let me know. If there's anything that I need to check out that I haven't mentioned, please let me know. I'm loving trying new finds. So again, love you all. See you soon. Bye-bye.